Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is evapo-rust Super Safe Rust Remover. This non-toxic and environmentally friendly rust remover is simple to use. It's water-based and dissolves rust without scrubbing or sanding in only a few minutes. Evapo-rust is free of acids, bases, solvents, and volatile organic compounds VOCs, and it's safe for your eyes and skin. It also doesn't emit any fumes or have an odor. The rust remover comes in a 1-gallon jar and can be used on steel up to 300 pounds. Metal, plastic, PVC, rubber, and steel can all be used with this device. It's perfect for cleaning car parts, antiques, cast iron cookware, barbecue grates, and more. It's also non-corrosive, biodegradable, and eco-friendly. It can be used without the use of special gloves, eyewear, or a mask. Because the evapo-rust only works on surface rust, you'll need to use a sandblaster to get rid of it. Also, if you leave the product uncovered for a long period, some of its rust removal effectiveness will be lost. Number 2 in our side is FDC Highly Effective Rust Repair. This solution differs from others in that it not only removes rust but also creates a protective layer to keep it from returning. This extremely effective rust inhibitor works on all levels of rust and provides a protective covering that shuts out moisture and prevents corrosion. This tool eliminates the need for vigorous sandblasting, grinding, or scraping, allowing you to focus your energy on other household tasks. Simply prepare your rusted surface with a wire brush to remove large areas of rust, clean, and then apply the Rust Converter Ultra, which also serves as an excellent primer for oil-based paints. Convert rust to an inert coating that seals out moisture to prevent further corrosion. Used for automobiles, machinery, railings, structures, tools, marine applications, and more. Third in our top 5 best rust remover for car list is Corosil Water-Based Rust Converter. The water-based Corosil Rust Remover and Latex Metal Primer both restores metal surfaces and extends their lifespan. The recipe is also intended to guard and prevent rust corrosion in the future. The product is simple to use, allowing customers to paint, prime, and convert rust in one process. You can apply it using a brush, a roll, or a spray. A single gallon of the product will cover 200 to 250 square feet. In general, a small amount goes a long way. It cleans up quickly with soap and water. It's also non-flammable and non-corrosive, and it's suitable for use in maritime, automotive, industrial, and domestic applications. The disadvantage of Corosil is that it must be applied by hand and does not come with a spray container. Furthermore, while a primer isn't essential, it's recommended that you use one to prevent metal discoloration. For details, let's watch more.
With Corosil Rust Converter Primer. Corosil is the safe, easy, and economical solution for your rust problems and will extend the life of your metal surface. Corosil is recommended by professionals in the marine industry for one big reason: because it really works. In just one application, Corosil chemically treats existing rust and primes the surface ready to paint, adding a double layer of protection against future rusting. Use Corosil for auto and trailer restoration, metal roofs and fencing, tractors and lawnmowers, outdoor furniture, metal tanks, or wherever you have a rust problem. Applying Corosil couldn't be simpler. First, prepare the surface by removing any dirt, oil, loose rust, and flaky old paint that might be present. You want a surface with clean, tight rust and/or clean, tight old paint. Then apply a single heavy coat of Corosil Rust Converter using a roller, sprayer, or brush. Corosil acts as a primer over old paint, so there's no need to spot coat just the rusted areas on your surface. Rust conversion has started when the metal surface starts turning black. Allow the coating of Corosil to cure for at least 24 hours before applying any follow-on coatings. Cleanup is easy with just soap and water. The finished Corosil surface is paintable and bonds with oil and water-based paints, epoxy, urethane, and most other top coats. Corosil is non-flammable and eco-friendly.
Fourth pick in our list is Iron Out Rust Stain Remover. This rust cleaner promises to give you excellent value for money, and whilst it won't remove rust from the source, it's a fantastic rust stain remover. This rust dissolver is designed to attach to rust and dissolve the toughest stains on contact, so it will work hard to eliminate rust stains. Iron Out is a liquid spray that is extremely easy to use and carry. Because it's a spray, it's ideal for cleaning hard to reach areas like showers, toilets, and tiles. You can even use it on various carpet kinds. This is a non-abrasive rust stain remover that does not contain hydrofluoric acid, making it considerably safer to use than many other stain removers on the market. Powerful gel clings to dissolve rust stains on contact, no scrubbing necessary. Quickly and easily removes the toughest rust stains from most surfaces in and around the home. Ideal for vertical and hard to reach surfaces, like showers, sinks, tubs and toilets above the water line. Versatile liquid formula, great for bathroom, kitchen, color-fast carpet and fabric, tile, concrete and many other interior and exterior surface applications. Number 5 in our top 5 best rust remover for car is CLR Calcium Lime and Rust Remover. If it's a versatile, multi-use rust remover you're searching for, it's hard to beat CLR Calcium Lime and Rust Remover. This single liquid product can tackle a whole lot of different sorts of corrosion or hard to remove chemicals, making it a go-to cleaning product for many automotive, tool, and house aficionados. It also gets to work on rust in no time. With CLR, you'll be able to eliminate rust rapidly and with little effort. Stainless steel, ceramic, chromium, and fiberglass are among the materials it can deal with. You can use it on everything from your coffee maker to your shower head to your dishwasher, in addition to your car. This liquid will operate well and remove even the toughest stains and spots no matter where you use it. The formula is non-toxic, septic safe, and free of phosphates, making it suitable for a variety of uses in the environment. Just make sure you test it out first in a tiny area before applying it to a larger area. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.